So I'm meaning to do this video for quite a while. I ordered the Obsessive Garage Compressed Air Solution through Matt, Obsessive Garage. Kind of basically told him how I wanted to set up in my garage, and he basically, designed it for me, shipped all the parts out to me. So I have all the boxes here. We're going to go through, open them up, make sure we have everything here, check out the quality of the parts, and you guys enjoy. Go to the first box here. So all this stuff is from Prevost, if you can tell by the boxes. Box inside a box. This is the magnetic drain, which is going to go on the bottom of the air compressor. As you can see there, it says Prevost. Very nice quality. Put this back in here. I still got to figure out the piping for that once I get all the lines set up. So we got the magnetic drain. Open up another box here. This looks like it's from McMaster-Carr, so this is going to be the stainless steel hose that's going to connect from the air compressor to the Alto 3 regulator. Wow, it's a really nice quality hose. I want to say this is, doesn't say, I want to say this is about 2.5 feet or so in length, maybe shorter? I could be wrong. Might be 2 feet, not quite sure, but just like I said, it's going to connect from the air compressor straight to the Alto 3 regulator. Got another box. Okay, yeah, so even here the receipt says 36 inches long, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, 3/16 stainless steel. Another lovely Prevost box. Here is the filter regulator from Prevost, the Alto 3. Got to figure out a spot where to mount this. You have the inlet here, outlet here. Looks like this is the drain on the bottom. Check all these out later. When it comes time for the install, looks like we have. So one of the inner outside. Yep, they're about the same. So one side for the in, one for the out. Have the wall mount here, and looks like some connections. Oh, I'm sorry. It's the PSI. Tells you where your PSI is at. All that big one here. That's the regulator. Boxes on boxes. And we got a rather large Prevost box. It should have all the connections and the fittings in them. Small Sureflex hose, 15 feet. We have a Stowflex hose, 50 feet. These are, like I said, these are all from Prevost. We have another 50-foot Prevost hose. cow. A ton of connections in here. We got a T, one TU. Actually, let's set this aside over here. So we got a T, got an elbow. Can't remember how many elbows I ordered. 2 elbows there. Alright, so far I got 2 elbows. I got 3 straight connections, 4 straight connections, 5 straight connections. I'm trying to remember what these are. I'm not really sure. Alright, so we got 6 straight connections. And we have 3 of these. I'm not really sure what they are. Should have known that, but then we have 5 boxes of the connection that actually holds the pipe to the ceiling. So we have 5 of those. We have a lot of these clamps. These are not really sure. We have some quick disconnects. Some more threaded NPT stuff for air tools. Here's the one of the air guns. Here's the second one. We have a shutoff valve. Should be another one. Yep. 2 shutoff valves. Tool to help put it together. The tool for these little things here, clamp it together. A barb fitting. Looks like we have a swiveling coupler. Some more connections. And we have a pipe wrench. So that's everything in that box there. So now we'll open one of these up, each one of these, and show what you guys what they look like. So this is, as you can see, very nice quality part. I'm assuming if you screw something in here and this connects to the end of the pipe, I'll have to figure that out. So we have 3 of those. We have 1 T. Do you see there's that? 1 T. Got 2 elbows, 2 90-degree elbows, and I believe I might have to order 1 more of these from Matt because the way I plan on setting it up, I think I'm going to need 1 more. So pick up 1 more of those. These are the connections that hold the pipe to the wall. As you can see, very nice. Open it up, snap the pipe in, secure it. 5 of those boxes. And 6 of the connection pieces. Also, again, all this stuff's very, very high quality. 6 of those. We have 2 of the shutoff valves. These will go right before the Cox hose reels. Barb fitting. Check out this swiveling coupler. So this is, as you can see, swivels in all directions. Super nice. Nice little disconnect. Can't wait to hook all this up. So we have all that. components. Like I said, here's the two 50-foot Stowflex hoses, which are supposed to go on the Cox reels, but I'm gonna have to even them out of this. I just noticed. Here's my Cox hose reels that I received from Matt. These are actually quite heavy. As you can see, UPS did a lovely job handling the package. So as you can see, these hoses that I received from Matt already have the hose on them. Because these came, I want to say these came direct from Matt. Excuse me, these are quite heavy. So here's a hose reel, 50-foot Stowflex Prevost hose on here. Super nice. I have two of them. I don't think I really need to open up the second one because you guys can see this one here. But as Matt said in his videos, these are super high quality. I mean, just pulling it right out of the box, I can tell this thing's super nice. Worth the money, in my opinion. So yeah, that's everything that I received from Matt for the compressed air solution. I'm going to be trying to figure out how to install all this stuff, make a clean setup, make sure it all works, and get with Matt about probably getting some more pieces for making sure I have everything to work here. Thanks for watching. So one of the most important things I forgot to show about this whole compressed air solution is the piping. So here it is. Comes in about an 8-foot tube. They're originally sold in 20-foot lengths, but they're cut down in three sections equally. So I'm not sure what that equals out to. I can't do math right now, but I want to say it's a little less than 7 feet per stick. So that's what it looks like when it comes. Like I said, here's everything again. All the parts and pieces. I did happen to look on the order here. There's a few back ordered items. I'm still missing the the filter regulator came. I'm still missing a couple coupling protectors. Still missing one of the other swiveling couplers, and then the magnetic drain I also got. So the only thing I'm still missing is just the coupler and then just the coupling protector. So hopefully those will be coming here soon. Probably going to get started on this, installing all this stuff here in the next few days. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's not too bad of an install. I'll post pictures on Obsessed Garage along the way, and hopefully I can figure it out. Appreciate it.